एक शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ चाफोली, संजीवनी महाविद्यालय चाफोली, affiliated by स्वामी रामानंद तीर्थ मराठवाडा University, Nanded. Good morning, all the students of class VSCSY. Subject Zoology. Name of the paper Comparative Anatomy and Physiology. Paper number 7th, semester 3rd, unit number 2nd, Nutrition. Today's topic is vitamin V complex. It is also called water soluble vitamin. Presented by myself, Dr. Thorat Mandakini Manohar, Assistant Professor and HOD of Zoology Department. Yes, student, in the last period, we see the water soluble vitamin. What is meant by water soluble vitamin and also the role of water soluble vitamin. Generally we know that is the vitamin is two type, fat soluble vitamin and water soluble vitamin. In the last period we see the vitamin C, water soluble vitamin. In this period we see the vitamin V complex. Generally this vitamin V is made by different vitamins, that is also called vitamin V complex. Generally, the members of vitamin V complex are: first is the thiamine, it is also called vitamin V1, riboflavin, vitamin V2, niacin, pyridoxine, it is also called vitamin V6, biotin, folic acid, cyanocomyelin, vitamin V12 and the pantothenic acid. Generally, this vitamin V complex is made by 8 vitamins. This vitamin V complex, generally first is the thiamine, or it is also called V1. This thiamine, their chemistry, it is the heat liable sulfur containing vitamin. It contains pyrimidine ring and thiazole ring, which are joined by methylene bridge. It is the highly alkaline sensitive. Generally, absorption and transport, it is absorbed in the small intestine by the active transport mechanism and the simple diffusion. Then it reaches the liver through the circulation. So generally this vitamin V complex, that is the thiamine, is absorbed in the small intestine by the active transport mechanism and the simple diffusion, and then it reaches to the liver through the circulation. This thiamine role or the function of thiamine, generally this thiamine pyrophosphate, that is also called the TPP or TDP, is the active form of thiamine. It is formed from thiamine in the presence of ATP in a reaction catalyzed by the thiamine kinase present in the liver. TPP is the prosthetic group of enzymes like the pyruvate dehydrogenase, alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase, etc. This thiamine is get from, or the sources of the thiamine, generally they are resources like outer coating of food grains like rice, wheat and yeast. They are also the good sources like the whole cereals, pulses, oil seeds and nuts. Fair sources generally meat, liver, eggs and fish. When the amount of the thiamine is less, then to form the deficiency, they to form some diseases. Generally in the first disease or the deficiency, they to form the adult very. Early sign of very are the insomnia, headache, dizziness, loss of appetite, muscle weakness, numbness and pricking the sensation in the lower limbs and fatigue. If not treated, it leads to generally weight very, in which the cardiovascular system is affected and it is the characterized by the edema. Edema appears in the lower limbs, trunk, face, and serious cavities. Blood pressure becomes abnormal, heart becomes weak, and death occurs due to the heart failure. Also, the dry beriberi, in which the central nervous system is affected, in addition to the early sign, adverse muscle wasting occurs. As a result, individual is unable to walk and becomes and bedridden. Death may occur if not treated. Second deficiency, they to form the infantile beriberi. Infants thiamine deficiency causes the infantile beriberi. It occurs in infant between the 2 to 10 months of the age. So this is the first vitamin B complex is the thiamine. Second vitamin is the riboflavin. It is also called the vitamin B2. Also there to form the chemistry, it contains the heterocycle isoalloxane ring and ribitol, a sugar alcohol. It is sensitive to the light and alkali but stable to heat and acidic media. This riboflavin vitamin, it is also called vitamin B2. They are also there to form the absorption and transport. Generally they are absorbed in the small intestine and distributed to all the tissue by the circulation. Then function of vitamin B2 is formed, that is they are the active form of riboflavin are the F, M, N and FAD. They act as the prosthetic group of several enzymes. FMN is a flavin mononucleotide and FAD is a flavin adenine dinucleotide. They act as a carriers of hydrogen atom in the redox reaction. Then sources of the vitamin B2 or the riboflavin, they are get from whole grains, legumes, pulses, green leafy vegetable, yeast, eggs, milk and meat are the good sources. Root vegetables and fruits are the fair sources. When the less amount of this vitamin B2, they to form the disease or the deficiency. Generally in the human, riboflavin deficiency causes the oral, facial, ocular lesions. In generally, angular stomatitis, lesions of mouth, particularly at the corners of mouth, chelosis, red swollen and cracked lips, vascularization of cornea and conjunctiva and bloodshot eyes, glossosis, inflamed magenta colored tongue. Generally this riboflavin, they to form the deficiency. Then third vitamin of B complex is the niacin. The word niacin refers to the two pyridine derivatives. They are the nicotinic acid and nicotinamide. Both are highly stable to the heat and stable to the alkali and the acid. Absorption and transport. Nicotinic acid and nicotinamides are absorbed in the small intestine and reach various tissues through the circulation, where they are converted to the NAD and NADP. This is the niacin. Then function of niacin or the importance of niacin vitamin. Nicotinamide is composed of the two coenzymes NAD and NADP. NAD is the nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide and NADP is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. Generally niacin get from or the sources of niacin, whole grains peanuts, legumes, yeast, liver, fish, and meat are the good sources. Milk and eggs are poor source of niacin but rich source of tryptophan. Vegetables and fruits are poor source of niacin. Then when get the less amount of niacin deficiency? Niacin deficiency causes the pellagra in which the skin, gastrointestinal tract and nervous system are affected. Dermatitis, diarrhea and dermatidia are the characteristics symptoms of pellagra. So this is the vitamin niacin. Next vitamin of B complex is the pyridoxine. Their chemistry, generally these pyridoxine made by the three component derived from pyridine show the vitamin B2 activity. They are the pyridoxine, pyridoxal and pyridoxamine. Pyridoxine is stable and heat and sensitive to the light and alkali. Generally this vitamin easily absorbed and reaches various tissues through the circulation. In the tissues, pyridoxine is converted to the pyridoxal and pyridoxamine. Then next is the importance and function of pyridoxine. Generally, pyridoxal phosphate is the active form. It is formed from pyridoxal by the phosphorylation catalyzed by pyridoxal kinase. Pyridoxal phosphate act as the prosthetic group or the coenzyme of enzyme which are involved in the transamination, decarboxylation, transsulfation, desulfuration and non-oxidative deamination reaction. Pyridoxal phosphate is a coenzyme for the enzymes that are involved in the synthesis of heme, serotonin, catecholamines and coenzyme A synthesis. Generally, this pyridoxine get from whole grains, legumes, liver and yeast are the good sources. Leafy vegetables, milk, meat and eggs are the fair sources. Generally, when the less amount of pyridoxine is present in our body, then to form the deficiency or the disease, it is rare in the human adult. In the children, vitamin B2 deficiency causes the epileptic form, convulsion due to decreased formation of neurotransmitters like the GABA, serotonin and catecholamines. So these are the pyridoxine. Next period we see the remaining B complex vitamin. Yes, goodbye the student.